Talkback 16 callers ponder who is responsible for the water bill after the FM Kirby Center was flooded earlier this month. But first, calls about a pesky invasive species.
You're talking about these lantern flies, crushing them. Well, I've been crushing them. Doesn't the state have any kind of a spray that can be sprayed on these trees that can kill them too? I mean, you're looking for the public to help out. What about the state helping out and spraying them?
About this lantern fly thing you just had on TV, they've been coming this way for the last 5 or 6 years, and now all of a sudden it's a big problem? They should have been taking care of this a long time ago. Now, us killing them is not going to get rid of them. You need to spray or find a natural predator that will eat them.
About the lady that talks to, about the lantern flies, that you can't transport them, can't do this, can't do that. How'd they get here if they weren't transported to PA from somewhere else?
All this damage done to the Kirby Center because of a water main break. Who's responsible and liable to pay for all that damage? The water authority? Why should the Kirby house pay for it? It wasn't their fault. Probably a 100-year-old water line broke.
FM Kirby Center got 400,000 gallons of water in their basement. Do they have to pay that water bill, or are they going to get reimbursed for that?
I'm watching the 5 o'clock news with Stacy and Lisa, and their outfits don't match. I don't know how I'm going to be able to continue because everybody has a fit when Scott Schaefer and Lisa don't match. How are they going to watch this?
Why did you turn the skeleton around? He was admiring the view, and now you guys have him staring at the camera. He doesn't want to look at the camera. Turn him back around. He wants to look at the mountaintops.
You can call Talkback 16 at 1-800-228-WNEP, and you can always find Talkback 16 online at WNEP.com.